I've been writing since last 10 years. It was in 2010 when I started writing, and I have never looked back ever since, and I have been continuously writing these last 10 years. Well, it was an accidental find. I never wanted to be an author, and I was working in corporate sectors in MNCs for 2 decades. I worked in different countries and held senior positions and handled big teams in IT sector. During the challenges which I faced in my jobs, I started writing quotes just to vent my feelings and anger and frustration over the circumstances. And I used to share those quotes on my Facebook posts and my Facebook timelines. And slowly it built over, and when I started getting likings from my friends, colleagues and my social circles, and I got a lot of encouragement from my friends and family, and then I picked up the habit, and I did that on a regular basis, and then I never looked back. And eventually the idea popped up to me that I should publish a book with the collection of these quotes, and I published one book, and then eventually ended up publishing 8 books over a period of 10 years. Well, in total I have written 8 motivational books. All these books are collection of original motivational quotes which are written by me, and they cover different aspects of life. Pretty much every aspect of life we should work on to become a better human being and become a better person in life and be successful and a loving member of the society. What I do when I'm not writing? Well, I read a lot. Reading is a passion, just as writing is a passion. I love to read. I love to collect a lot of information from different sources and keep abreast myself with the latest happenings in the world. I read international journals, I read international newspapers, I read national newspapers, and I read a lot of stuff. I read a lot of books, and I want to come across as a knowledgeable person and put my 2 cents to every situation and circumstances. So that's why I read a lot. My writing space is my comfortable bedroom, which is home to me since I spend maximum of my time in my bedroom. I write on my laptop, and I don't write on a table and a chair. I lie down on my bed, put a laptop, and I enjoy writing throughout the nights. So nights are the time basically when I write. I used to stay awake all night long, and daytime I used to doze off. That has been my cycles whenever I have written and whenever I have been writing. And these quotes books, I finish them from start to finish. I take only 15 days. Within 15 days, I generally manage to write a quote book of around 150 quotes, or average of 10 quotes per night. That has been my writing speed. And it's not the kind of words, the amount of words you write that matters in writing quotes. Is the amount of thought which is behind a quote which matters. So it takes time to think, put it in words which are impactful. So that has been my process, and I diligently follow that process. And the maximum quotes I have written in a night is 27, but average comes to around 10 quotes per night. Well, I don't borrow the ideas, I don't get the information from secondary sources. I reflect back on my experiences in life, cull out the important learnings and information, and based on those experiences and information, I write my quotes. And these are the keen observation I have held over the period of course of my life, and that is what I put across to my readers. And pretty much that's been the process. I considered myself as a writer when I took it to full-time writing, and I left my job with an MNC, and though I stopped receiving the paychecks, but I took the plunge, and I knew I'm going to face some tough times and I'll have a lot of struggles ahead, but since this is what was my passion was, and I gave it a try. I went full ahead into it and never looked back ever since. It was accidental. I discovered my skills, I discovered my talent, and I started utilizing it. Uh, Another thing which I want to share with the humanity at large, with the world at large, is my life has been a very tough one. I have faced a lot of tough times, very, very tough times. And I want to share my learnings with the world at large, how they can overcome such situations if in case they ever face such times. I wish nobody should face tough times, but in case they do face, how they should come out of it, and how should they brace these difficult times, and come out as a winner. That has been my inspiration. It's not more on the lines of commercial success which I am doing it. It's more to help the world at large. That is my passion. My suggestions to reader to become better writers is that be original. Always don't look at what others are doing. Find your own niche, find your own passion, find your own strengths, and work upon that. I am a quotes writer. I've dedicated my life to writing quotes. I never ventured into writing fiction, something which is not my forte, something which I don't enjoy doing. I write what I enjoy doing. I do what I enjoy doing. So my suggestions to all of you is that find your niche, find your passion, find your strength, and keep working in that direction. No matter how difficult it is, how struggling it is, and how difficult it is for you to get success. But if you persist, you will definitely get success, no matter how long it takes, and no matter how many struggles you have had to face. But you'll still be successful if you work on your passion.